Boost your productivity with Notion buttons like Jeff Su. Are you looking for a way to streamline your workflow in Notion? Jeff Su has mastered the art of using Notion buttons to automate tedious tasks and make productivity seamless. In this video, we'll break down the 3 most effective ways Jeff Su uses Notion buttons to optimize his workflow so you can implement them today. 1. Updating task status automatically. One of the most time-consuming aspects of project management is keeping track of task statuses. Scrolling through a long list and manually updating each task can be a hassle. But with Notion buttons, Jeff has found a way to eliminate this entirely. Here's how it works. When all tasks within a project are completed, a single button click updates the project status property to completed. This means no more wasted time manually checking each task, just one press and done. This is especially helpful for those who manage multiple projects or work in team environments where task tracking is essential. 2. Quick capture for instant idea collection. If you often come across great ideas or prompts but don't have a structured way to capture them, Notion buttons can be your best friend. Jeff has strategically placed buttons at the top of his command center page that allow him to quickly capture important notes without disrupting his workflow. Here's how. Whenever he finds a valuable prompt or idea online, he clicks a button to create a new entry. The button automatically renames the entry, pastes the prompt, and tags it as captured. This all happens without ever leaving his command center, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted workflow. With this setup, he never loses an important insight and can always come back to refine or categorize his notes later. 3. Bulk creating project tasks. Instantly managing large projects often requires breaking them down into multiple smaller tasks. Instead of manually entering each one, Jeff leverages Notion buttons to generate all related tasks at once. For example, when planning a trip to Japan, Jeff's Notion button automatically creates multiple trip-related tasks and links them to his trips project page. This functionality extends to team settings as well. Whoever clicks the button is automatically assigned as the owner of the newly created tasks. This feature is a game changer for both personal and professional project management, ensuring that tasks are created efficiently and accurately. Implement these Notion button hacks today. If you're looking to level up your Notion game, implementing these button automations can make a huge difference. Whether it's updating project statuses, capturing ideas on the fly, or creating multiple tasks in one click, these techniques save time and reduce friction in your workflow. Give these hacks a try and let us know in the comments how they work for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more productivity tips. See you in the next video.